Welcome again to Peter Twigg Meditation. Today we're going to look at a typical meditation practice and why routine and a set process each day helps to establish strong meditation. Let's begin. It's important to practice meditation at the same time each day. Preferably this is early in the morning before your mind starts to get busy with the day's activities. So ideally you would want to meditate in the same spot where you can sit without disruptions every day. Ideally, you will also be sitting up in meditation in your normal spot. As you settle into a regular meditation practice, you reach a point where it feels better to do the meditation than not do it. This is a good sign your meditation is working. You also want to meditate for the same amount of time each day. It's all about rhythm and continuity of practice. Next, it's important to maintain right posture. See the link to my video at the end called Posture in Meditation. So a typical meditation practice looks something like this. On waking, do your morning ablutions. Any yoga postures or early morning exercise program you conduct now, it's the best time to do this. Next, shower or bathe. Then it's time to meditate. You should dedicate a specific amount of time each day to your meditation. If you want to increase your meditation time, do so in increments. If you want to extend your daily meditation to 40 minutes or more, it's also good if you're working with someone who is experienced in meditation. When you really get into it, things can happen, and it's very important to have a seasoned hand to guide you on your meditation path. Once you've completed your meditation, it's time to journal if this is something you do. Then it's off for breakfast and commence your activities for the day. So please understand this is just a guide. There may be factors in your life that mean you have to adapt the way you practice your meditation. You need to do whatever works for you. More importantly, see for yourself and decide what works for you. At other times, it can also be useful to meditate for a very short period of time just before going to sleep. This may be when you are wrestling with some sort of issue, or maybe you are under a lot of pressure. It's done in addition to your daily practice. It's surprising how a 5-minute practice before you go to sleep can set you up for better sleep. I remember when I was getting into my meditation practice in the first years, I would meditate normally in the morning and for 5 minutes just before going to sleep. It really enhanced the nature of my sleep and helped provide some tremendous insights at the time. Paradoxically, you should be aware, however, that meditation can also be very awakening and that it can be counterproductive to good sleep. The key is to see for yourself and find out what works for you. If you experience this when you meditate in the evening, you might try a yoga nidra style of practice instead of not meditating at all. Having meditated for a long time and also worked with other meditators, a program as I've just outlined works well and is based on solid experience of many people over many years. To help you with your meditation, I've placed a meditation cheat sheet to download below, providing a few tips and items that might be useful in your meditation. You'll find it in the links below, where you can also like and subscribe to the channel if you find this channel useful. Now, a final tip for when you are meditating. When you have completed the meditation, I find it very useful to spend a few minutes with your awareness placed above your head. This allows your energy to balance itself out in preparation for coming back to your daily routine. It allows a rearrangement of your body of energy and for subtle energies to move appropriately. Let any enhanced states finish in their own time. These states are precious. When you finish the phase above your head, it is also a time when you can have powerful realizations. To signify the meditation is formally over, you can click the fingers of your right hand, signaling the meditation is formally over. Then you open your eyes. This is a traditional completion of meditation used in Tibetan Buddhism and other traditions. Finally, meditating at the same time, in the same place, incorporating exercise, ablutions and meditation in the same way, sets you up for a strong practice because it is something that becomes habitual. Meditating at the same time also sends a message to spiritual world and spiritual beings. It says you are serious. These spiritual beings will respond, which will enhance your meditation. With luck, they may even bestow grace on you. Wouldn't that be a blessing? Now, if you've enjoyed this video, take a look at our growing library of videos providing tips, techniques and context to improve your meditation. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe to receive updates as they happen. Once again, thanks for watching.